Hi guys, welcome to this channel and I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of this helmet that was sent to me by Steelbird Helmets. So thank you Steelbird for sending this, and let's get started. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.
1, 2, 3, drop.
So this is the box, and you can see here it's written Steelbird Helmets Racetrack Bargy Design. Bargy or Bargy. Now let's open the box. So inside we have a cover, and inside that we have the helmet. Okay, we have a big book over here. What is this? Memories of a Spiritual Tycoon. Okay, so we have a book over here. Then let's remove the helmet, and inside we have one more book. कन्हैया से कन्हैया तक. Okay, we'll keep that aside. So this is the cover, and inside that we'll have the helmet. So let's remove the cover and check out the helmet. So this is a motocross type helmet. First time for me. I have never had a motocross helmet before. So let's see how is it. So this is the cover, and now let's see the helmet. Whoa, nice. So this is the motocross helmet from Steelbird. And what's something we have inside over here? We have this genuine part. Not sure what is it. For putting here in the side. Okay. First Impressions helmet looks very premium. Yes, it's not very heavy, normal helmet weight only. And inside we do have a second visor that I can see. Okay, so it's gold, and you can see me. Hello. And I think this color is red and white. I'm not sure. I'll provide the link in the description. But now let me see. And this inside padding is removable, and this is the kind of buckle that you get. Okay, pull and just put it in. And we also have some extensions over here. If this sun visor is not long enough for you, you can increase it, or you can fold it back if you don't want that extra part. And here we have a vent over here. You can open it, you can close it, close, open. And you can see the ISI rating over here. ISI. That's the sound of the helmet if you knock on it. And behind it's written Bargy Design, made in Italy, RSB Racing Steelbird. You can see here RSB. And yeah, the helmet does look very premium. Let me wear it and see. So this is how the fitting is. It's slightly loose, but I think motocross helmets are always slightly loose than the normal street helmets. So yeah, so this was the unboxing video, and yeah, if you like the design of the helmet, do hit on that like button, comment below how do you feel about the helmet. And yeah, I'll be using this helmet for a few days, I think at least 1 or 2 weeks, and then I'll let you know how is the helmet. So this was the unboxing video, and if you like the design of the helmet, do hit on that like button, comment below what do you think about the helmet, and if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and click the bell icon, ting ting. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.